My name is Joseph Makokha, and I'm a technology specialist based at Stanford University in California. Wearable devices refers to any of the things that we wear on our bodies to accomplish one or more tasks. So, one interesting thing about the modern wearable devices is that they are embedded with sensors and connectivity to the internet and to other devices. This is an example of a wearable device. This is Google Glass, and I'll just quickly explain or describe the different parts. It has two cameras. There is an outward facing camera here, and there is another one in here that actually looks onto your eye. It also has a touch sensitive surface here, and that's where you use your finger to swipe back and forth, just like we do on a smartphone. It has one little button up here, and it has another button inside, which is the power button. It has a little speaker here that it consists of a computer component around here. As you can see, there is a glass display. Google Glass connects to my smartphone, and currently what I'm doing is I'm screencasting. It's just displaying the time, and of course it says OK Glass. That is the cue for Glass to listen for instructions. So of course it's now listening to everything I'm saying. And this was picked up by the location service on my iPhone, and Glass uses that information to determine the temperature that is displayed here. It's displaying 3 places nearby. Those are places that I might be interested in based on the preferences that I set up. I can also display some of the recent notifications that I received on my phone. You might be able to use other sensors that are embedded in wearable devices. The fact that you're able to collect, transmit, and share the data in real time might be a feature that you use depending on the task, depending on the project you're working on.
So with computers being able to handle basic decision making and problem solving, there comes a need in education for these 21st century skills. How can wearable devices help in reaching this goal of achieving 21st century skills?
So in regard to 21st century skills, I find the affordances of wearable devices, namely the hands-free capability and the ability to embed multiple sensors in the devices as features that can allow the use and development of 21st century skills.
So one problem in education is that there seems to be a disconnect between what students are learning in school and what they need in the real world. How can wearable devices bridge the divide between these two environments? So how can schools become some place that students really want to be? And one possible answer could be wearable devices.
Students are using wearable devices at school and at home, and they'll show up in class with them. And so demonstrating how this can be used in learning makes the learning process more authentic.
So what does the future hold for wearable devices in education?
Wearable devices are evolving rapidly in form and function, which means that in future you will have a broader range of features to use in the classroom.